1896. An engine. A few wooden planks. What looks like a horseless carriage is actually the beginning of a new era for the transport industry. The world's first truck. A vehicle that marks the start of a 130-year success story. A story of courage, innovative spirit, and responsibility. From our first diesel truck to the global icons of long-distance transport, to the fully electric truck solutions of today, every innovation, every detail, every kilometer, proof that progress is not a coincidence. It's an attitude that keeps our society running, connects people, and creates opportunities. From ambitious construction projects to the fruits on the supermarket shelf, there's a little bit of our trucks in almost everything that surrounds us. We don't just build vehicles, we build trust, partnership, reliability, progress. What once began as a horseless carriage is becoming a vision of a bright future. Let's celebrate together. Let's celebrate the power of moving forward. Let's celebrate 130 years of trucks.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.